Good morning, students. Now, the refraction of the light by the spherical lenses. In our syllabus, we have two lenses, that is a concave and convex lens. One is the convex lens and other is a concave lens. First, we should know what is the lens. What is the lens? Actually, the lens is a piece of transparent glass. Lens is made up of a glass. Glass is a denser medium as compared to the air. So, lens is the piece of transparent glass bounded by the two spherical surface. These spherical surface can be like this or it can be like this. So we can write the definition of lens. A lens is a piece of transparent glass bounded by two spherical surface. Okay, so these lenses can be of any many types, but in our syllabus we will study about only the convex and the concave lens. First, what is a convex lens? This type of lens, which is thicker in the middle and thinner from the edges, is called the convex lens. This is the convex lens. And what is about the concave lens? The lens which is thinner from the middle and thicker from the edges is called the concave lens. Concave lens. And there are some definitions which is used in these two lenses. First one is the optical center. What is optical center? Actually the center point of the lens for the convex or for the concave lens. This center point of the lens is called the optical center. So you can write the definition of optical center. Optical center. Optical center is the center point of a lens is known as optical center. And the other one is the principal focus. First one is the principal axis. What is the principal axis? Actually the line which is passes through the optical center and it is perpendicular to both the surface, this surface and this surface. The light ray, the line which is passes through the optical center and is perpendicular to both the surface is called the principal axis for the concave or for the convex lens. So what is the principal axis? The principal axis of a lens, it is a line passing through the optical center of lens and perpendicular to both the faces of lens. Okay. One more thing, we represent the optical center by using the symbol C. Okay, we represent the optical center by using the symbol C. And this is the principal axis. Now about the principal focus. Whenever you write the definition of principal focus, you should also draw the diagram of principal focus. It is really compulsory. You should always do it. What is our principal focus actually? The light ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis. Initially these light rays is coming initially parallel to the principal axis. And after refraction from this lens, why this lens reflect the light rays? Since it is made up of glass and we know that glass is a denser medium as compared to the air. So what will happen? The light ray is going to be banded. It is going to change its path. That's why the light is band And after bending from this convex lens, it meet at a point on the principal axis, and this point to which all the light rays going to be made is called the principal focus. Okay, one more thing I want to explain you that why this lens is going to converge the light rays. We can divide this lens in three parts. These are the three parts of this lens. We can say it is like a prism. So I'm going to make a prism here. This is the part of prism light. Na? So what will happen if the light is coming like this? Since this is the surface, and we can say this is a normal, and we all know that when the light rays is passes from the air to the glass, what will happen? It bend towards the normal. So what will happen? It will not go straight, but it will bend towards the normal. So this is the bending of the light. And what will happen when this light ray is passes from the glass to the air? This is a normal for this surface. This is a normal at this point, and we know that this light ray is moved away from the normal. So you know what will happen? The light which is coming like this is bent towards the base when it passes from this part of the lens. So that's why when this light is coming towards the lens, it bent towards this focus. It bent towards the principal axis. That's why they meet at a single point, and this point is called the principal focus. And what is about this middle portion? This middle portion is worked like a glass slab. And what is about this lower portion? This middle portion is worked like a glass slab, and know about the glass slab. If the light is coming, normally it will passes straight, or it will, if it is coming with a certain angle, it will laterally displaced. And what is about the next this portion? This is inverted prism, and this is the light rays which is coming parallel to the principal axis. This is this one. What will happen? This is the normal of the surface. This is the normal at this point, perpendicular at this point, and we know that when this light rays passes from the air to the glass, it will bend towards the normal. It means it will bend like this. And when again this light rays passes from the glass to the air, and this is the normal at this point, what will happen? It will bend away from the normal. So what will happen? The light which is coming initially parallel to the principal axis is bent in this direction like this. That's why the light which is coming to the parallel to the principal axis, after converging from this lens, after refraction from this lens, is meet at a particular point on the principal axis, and this point is called the principal focus. Okay, this is all about the convex lens. Okay, we should write the definition of principal focus here. What is the definition? Definition is the principal focus of convex lens. The principal focus of convex lens is a point on its principal axis to which light rays parallel to the principal axis. Convex lens is a point on the principal axis to which light rays parallel to the principal axis converge after passing through the lens. I think you all understand that why the light rays is converged when it passes through the convex lens. And we represent the principal focus by using the symbol capital F. We represent it by using the symbol capital S. And for the convex lens, or also for the concave lens, there are two focus. There are two principal focus. One is here and the other one is here. Because for this lens, if the light is coming from this part, it will converge after passing through the lens and meet at a point on the principal axis. And what will happen if the light ray is coming from this side? Again, after passing through this lens, it converges, it meet at a point on the principal axis, because this is a lens and it will converge the light rays. So if the light is coming from this part is also converge here, and if light is coming from this part is converge here. So the convex lens has a two foci. This convex lens has a two foci, two principal focus, but we use only this focus. Okay, for images formation we only use this focus. Now these focus are real, because we know that if the light is actually meet at a point, if these light rays actually meet at a point, it means this is a real point. So we can say the principal focus of a convex lens is a real focus. This is a real focus. Okay, so this lens is also known as the converging lens. I think you understand why this lens is called the converging lens, because this lens converges the odd light rays which is passes through this lens. And what is about the principal focus of the concave lens? I am going to explain you the working of the concave lens. This is a concave lens and we can divide it into three parts. Again, we can divide it into three parts. And this is the upper portion of the concave lens. It is just like an inverted prism, and we have understand in the last part, in this part, that in the inverted lens, if the light is coming like this, it bend like this. So in this case again, when the light is coming like this is the normal, it bend towards the normal. Again, it passes from the glass to the air, it oh, I think I make some different, sorry for this is normal for the for this surface, and it bend away from the normal. So what will happen, the light which is coming parallel to the axis, now it diverges, and this middle part is work like a it work like a the glass slab, and the lower part is just like a prism. This is just like a prism, and when the light is coming parallel, first it will bend towards the normal. Again, when it passes from the glass to the air, it will move away from the normal. So which is coming parallel to the principal axis is bend like this. It means in case of concave lens, what will happen? The light ray which is coming initially parallel to the principal axis, this is the principal axis which is passes through the optical center, and this is the light rays which is coming parallel to the principal axis. What will happen? These light is going to be diverse, and this light is going to be diverse from a point. It appear that it is diverging from this point, and this point from which the light is going to be diverse or appear to be diverse is called the principal focus of the concave lens. And what is about the principal focus of the concave lens? It is a virtual focus. We know that the light is not going to be passes from this point. Actually, it appear that this light is bending, this light is diverging from this point. So this is the virtual focus of the concave lens. So now the principal focus of the concave lens, you can write the definition here. Concave lens, the principal focus of concave lens is a point on its principal axis from which light rays originally parallel to the axis appears to diverge after passing through the concave lens. Now again, if you are going to write the definition of principal focus of the concave lens, you should also prepare this image with this one, concave lens. Okay, and the principal focus of the concave lens is a virtual focus. We also represent it by using the symbol capital F. And just like the convex lens, concave lens also have two foci. One is on either side. Okay, now we will use the principal focus of this side when we form the images. And the principal focus of the concave lens is a virtual focus. This is about the concave and the convex lens. In next video, we will understand how the images formation takes place through the concave and the convex lens. Okay, bye.